Karnataka Governor Thaawarchand Gehlot has given assent to 7 out of 16 bills passed by the state government. According to official sources, 6 bills were cleared on Wednesday. All 16 bills had been sent to the governor on December 31, 2025. The approved legislations include amendments related to state finance, labor welfare, Bengaluru's administration, private medical establishment, heritage and area development, and the religious and charitable institutions. However, 9 bills are still pending before the governor. Among them are key legislations dealing with hate speech, hate crimes, prevention of social boycott, reservation sub-categorisation for scheduled caste, amendments to drug and cosmetic laws, and changes to the State Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes. In a separate development, the governor has returned the Karnataka Tank Conservation and Development Authority Amendment Bill 2025 to the state government. With several important bills still awaiting clearance, further decisions from Raj Bhavan are now awaited.